Today I'm going to show you how to simply change your profile picture on YouTube all on your phone. Let's jump in. So first things first, we're going to open up our YouTube app and it'll take you to your main page here. And then from here in the top right-hand corner, you'll see your current profile picture. Or if you don't have one, like in my case, it'll just be your first initial. So we're going to click on that. And then right below your name, you're going to click on your channel. And then from here, you can change the name, you can change your handle. But what we want is the very top option here is picture. Where it says picture, you just want to click on the little camera icon and you have two options. You can either choose to take a photo with your phone and use that, or you can use an existing photo that's already in your camera roll on your phone. So I'm going to do that option. So we're going to choose from your photos. You click on that. And then here it gives you what's on your camera roll and you just pick the photo that you want. And then it'll take you to this screen where you can now slide the photo around, pinch, and if you pinch and open up your fingers, you can zoom in on the picture. And by doing that, you want to get it adjusted in that square exactly how you want it. I think that looks good. And then in the top right-hand corner, you just want to click Save, and you'll see a little processing bar there. And just like that, you've updated your profile picture. Now keep in mind, sometimes it takes a few minutes for it to fully update on the web so that you can see that reflect on your channel. But you can see on this screen here, that's exactly how it will appear. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.